there is no bhakti. And thank you so much, Rudrabhagna Mataji, for setting an example today. So this will stay in our hearts for the lifetimes to come. Thank you so much, Mataji.
Thank you, Pran Pavitra Prabhu. All right, from this van, I don't want to call anybody's name, but devotees, you can share from, we also did put together some of our reflections, the Chintamanis that we collected during this Sankirtan Yatra. Anything that you would like to share from that, not just today's Yatra, but any of the previous Yatras collectively together that we have done. Please share. I will give the mic. Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. I will hold the speaker here.
Wait, but I have to express. Pran Pavitra Prabhu, when you said that, I had to quickly said it 2 words. Oh, that wasn't enough. One thing I want to say, actually 2 things. One is Mahatpada Rajobhishekam. The loving causeless mercy who decided to just do this all and somehow get us in so we can get the mercy. So loving causeless mercy that has come and has decided to stay with us, to take us back home, back to Godhead. Ki Jai! Pele hoye. Of course, Shri Panchatattva. But Panchatattva are accessible because of Gaura Priyachana, our Gurujana. So, Shri Panchatattva ki Jaya, 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 Jaya. The loving footprints of Panchatattva in all the counties of North Carolina ki Jaya. And the third one is the Vaishnavas. Each one of you have done such a great favor for me, each one of you. Right now, for that I don't have the words, but wo to bolna hai. Each one of you, itna favor. Yeah. Actually, yeah, I think I will just pause there. Because these three things, they have to be highlighted. So mercy, loving footprints of Shri Panchatattva ki Jaya, causeless loving mercy ki Jaya, Mahatpada Rajobhishekam ki Jaya, Vaishnavera Pada Dholi ki Jaya. Bas wahi mere bas. Thank you. Yes, that's all. Thank you.
Mataji, you can keep that mic. We have one more here. Can you hear me? Oh, this is good, ma. This is good, right now? Better?
Sorry. One more time, please. Yeah. One more time.
Mataji took the break.
Pran Pavitra Prabhu, are you able to hear?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, now.
But if only one devotee speaks, that would be much better for us to understand.
Okay. Thank you, Prabhu. Okay, I'll go ahead. Pran Pavitra Prabhu ki Jai. Nitai Gunamani Prabhu ki Jai. Arashi ki Jai. Suvarna Radhika ki Jai. Akshara ki Jai. Veda ki Jai. Renu ki Jai. Attendance hai na, Prabhu? अक्षरा हो गया, VVIP हो गया.
We'll do
Send
this.
the devotees all in Nitai van, है ना?
हरिवेलो प्रभु की
Yeah. Prabhu. Yeah. This is hijacking है. Brahman Prabhu, this is hijacking.
माता जी की
No.
ललित प्रिय माता
ये
की जय, वृंदरानी माता जी की जय, जगन निवासिनी की जय, ज्योत्सना देवी माता जी की जय, सर्व शिवराम प्रभु की जय, मुरारी चैतन्य प्रभु की जय, अद्वैत की जय, अक्षज की जय, अक्षराम की जय, माधवी सुंदरी माता जी की जय,
श्वेत मंजरी
अद्वैत राधा स्मरण
प्राण पवित्र प्रभु.
मंजरी
You did it. You know what is it called, Prabhu? Pran Pavitra Prabhu. Are you able to hear, Prabhu?
We can't hear you right now, Mata.
Prabhu, are you choking or are you hearing, Prabhu? Can you hear? I really can't hear. मेरी ऑफरिंग सब हाईजैकिंग हुआ. Unexpected hijacking हुआ. And on top of this, the trees were. ऐसा भी होता है क्या?
Don't wait, Nitai. Van and more the van, that's why trees on pass.
Okay, no problem. Nitai van हो गया ना? No, please don't pull away. No, when we eat a favorite dish, अच्छा लगता है ना? That's what I'm trying to do. It's selfish है, लेकिन I think that's what I'm trying to. I want to say it so when you taste अच्छा लगता है ना? Prabhu took everything, so I will start here. Nitai van हो गया. Okay. हरिवेन प्रभु की जय. पद्म प्रिय माता जी की जय. ललित प्रिय माता जी की जय. राधा स्मरण की जय. जगन निवासिनी माता जी की जय. ज्योत्सना माता जी की जय. वृंदरानी माता जी की जय. कौन है माँ? माधवी सुंदरी माता जी की जय. श्वेत मंजरी की जय. मुरारी चैतन्य प्रभु की जय.
सरल शिवराम प्रभु
की जय. अद्वैत की जय. बेटा अक्षज की जय. अक्षरम की जय. The Kumaras from Janaloka. Honoring all of you, dear devotees. Truly honoring you all, your presence. However you are, my honor and respect to you all, dear devotees. Please accept. Thank you. Thank you for allowing me to say this. Hari. Thank you, Mataji. Jai. From our van now, Madhvi Sundari Mataji will share. Mataji, you use that mic, it's better. I think they'll hear you better. Hare Krishna. Is it audible, Mataji? Yeah.
You're able to hear her, Mataji? Ujjwala Mataji?
Actually, I'm able to hear now. But I'm thinking of something before you say. Yeah. It is okay, can I say? Is that okay, Madhvi? Yes, please, Mataji. I thought I have nothing to
Mataji, what the Mataji?
Come वॉल्यूम कम कर दो.
प्राण पवित्र प्रभु.
He's back.
Okay. Prabhu. Then.
Mataji.
Yes. మీరు చేసిన దానికి ఇప్పుడు all of you Nita Ivan few seconds you have to stay quiet. Okay na? Okay. I will repeat it. Prabhu.
Sure, Mataji. We are going on mute, Mataji.
యాక్చువల్గా నాకు ఇండివిజువల్గా పేరు చెప్పి ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్ప్రెసింగ్ మై గ్రాటిట్యూడ్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ ఇట్ ప్రభు అందుకని దట్ ఈస్ ఫర్ మై సేక్ దట్స్ వై No, I was just saying, Prabhu, individually, very, very grateful, especially to the Vaishnavas. Okay. So, what I was going to say, Madhuri Sundar Mataji, with your permission, okay? Yes. No, you were able to, right? Speak, yeah. Actually, yes, I have to. Pere, dear devotees, you have to remind me if I am missing anything. Yeah. So.
Oh, it's not that loud.
Oh, sorry. No, it's okay. We can go, Prabhu. Did they stop? You didn't stop, right? Brown Prabhu said we are going on mute. Maybe they will not talk to us, no? You didn't stop, right, Prabhu? You are driving, right?
Nita Ivan and Japan Master.
Really on mute.
They're on the call. Oh, no, they're not. Look on the green button. Oh, the wheel crash there.
Yeah.
We are listening, Mataji.
Oh, Prabhu, no mute, Prabhu. Mute వద్దులే. మాకు తెలియట్లేదు కనెక్షన్ ఉందా లేదా అని. Okay? Yeah. So you are there, right? Are you able to hear, Prabhu? Yes, thank you, Prabhu. So yeah. No, మీరు ఎక్కడ ఆపలేదు కదా. You didn't stop the car, right? You are going, right, Prabhu? Okay.
We are keep going.
Okay, Prabhu. Thank you. So, yeah. And it's okay, ma'am. I want to, please. Anything urgent? No. Thank you, sir. Yeah. So, first of all, when I'm stating the names, it is, we all know, we are receiving mercy. Like, it looks like doing service, but by this time we know it's not about we doing the service. It's the mercy that is coming, mercy that has come. So that's why I'm saying service is mercy. Yeah. So yes, Harivainu Prabhu, Nitai Gunamani Prabhu, Murari Chaitanya Prabhu for the driving seva. And yeah, Pran Pavitra Prabhu. Pran Pavitra Prabhu, we should start South Carolina Prabhu. ठीक है?
Sure, Mataji.
Yeah. So yes, for the driving seva. There are many, but I'm just saying like that one only. And the hotel accommodation, all that. Yeah. Nitai Gunavan Prabhu, Harivenu Prabhu. Thank you so much. Yes, Haribol, please. Gratitude, Haribol, gratitude, Haribol. Please. And Pavitra Prabhu driving भी है, so many miscellaneous bridging, all of it together. But we are very happy that the family could gather and join the last yatra at least. We're busy otherwise with Arangitram, everything, but this is complete now. And of course, Sharla Shivaram Prabhu, very wonderful you could join, and Murari Chaitanya Prabhu family, very wonderful. And Lalita Priya Mataji, I don't have to say anything. Haribol, please. Haribol. I don't have to say anything. And Josna Mataji, again, the recordings that are coming out like that, I don't have to say a thing. Haribol. the recordings are available like that. Yeah? Because just thank you. And Vrindarani Mataji, again, I don't have to say anything. You know, you know what happened behind the scenes, how much is there, and all that, the whole Sankirtana group with posting. And मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? You know what I'm saying is very little short words है, but you all know what I mean. So please, Hari Bol. Hari Bol. Actually, when we are saying Harivenu Prabhu, by default, family है. Harivenu Prabhu, Padma Priya Mataji, VVIP Akshara, and Advait. Hari Bol, please.
Hari
Bol. Hari Bol, and prayers for you, and you're blessed. Please stay blessed, wonderful, and we are happy you have had so many picnics. The family Sankirtan picnics. Yeah, Mataji. This is one family that had many Sankirtan family trips, picnics, overnights, one days, local, everything. Family Sankirtan picnics. Yes. And yeah, just Mataji back. Madhavi Sundari Mataji. You see, everybody honk, honk, honk. Yeah. Why? Because it says love is all you need, huh? Love God, love all. All of those placards, Mataji. Hari Bol, please.
Hari Bol.
Madhavi Sundari Mataji. Harushi and Prabhu, the whole family. Hari Bol. Feels so good. Just thinking and saying Hari Bol, thank you. Yeah. And prasadam के लिए मैं क्या बोलूँ? ये सब तो एक माताजी का yes please. When you are hearing Hari Bol, please don't think ये formality Hari Bol. ऐसे नहीं सोचना आप लोग. These are yummy Hari Bols, okay? Really mean it. तो आप really you have to receive. ठीक है? सब all of you. And if I add Hari Bol to Prabhu's to grocery, वो formal बनता है. तो इसलिए sometimes they cook also Prabhu's, है ना? Yeah. So for the Matajis, thank you for feeding all the devotees. Please stay blessed. Thank you. And Hari Bol. Hari Bol. Feels good. And याद दिलाना please. और पालू के बंगार मायना. प्रभु शैलेश्वरम प्रभु. पालू के बंगार मायना. कोदंड पांडी पालू के बंगार मायना. पालू के बंगार माये पिलचीना पलुकवेमी कलालोनी नामस्मरण मरुवा चक्कनी तंड्री. पालू के बंगार मायना. कोदंड श्री कोदंड पांडी की जय. शरण शिवराम प्रभु की जय. Thank you. Yeah, the whole the look. Oh, Srivat Sangha family. Yeah, Mataji.
Madhurya Bhakti.
Yes, Madhurya Bhakti Mataji. Vrajrani or Yavatrani. Prabhu. ఇంటికెళ్తా చెప్పండి ప్రభు. ఇట్లా అన్నారు. I said, Prabhu, when you go home, please tell them. Tell their specific the names, Prabhu. For now, currently their initiated names are Rajrani, Yavatrani. Thank you, Prabhu. The whole Srivasangan family. Ki Jai. And yeah, Murari Chaitanya Prabhu, Lalita Premataji, Akshaj. Huh? है ना? Subhash Prabhu. Subhash Prabhu is in Wisconsin now. He will visit in July. Subhash Prabhu. Huh?
Next week.
July is, yeah, of course, not too far, hai na? Yeah. Yes, yeah, the last week. Yeah. Subhash Prabhu, very thankful. And Talli, Sweta Manjari, Suvarna Radhika, Radha Smarna. Are you happy, Nana, that you have joined the last Sankirtan trip?
Yeah.
All three of you, Kanama?
Yes.
I hope I did not push you, Nana. No? Yeah, you said, Amma, we are looking forward to it. Sweta Manjari, you are also okay, Talli?
Yeah.
Happy, three of you?
Yeah. Very.
Yeah. You know, I'm telling them, when I see all the devotees getting the mercy, I tell them, Nana, if you see me a little pushy, it's just because I'm wishing that you also get the mercy. Just Mata ji, आपको पता है ना कैसा लगता है ना माता जी? ऐसा लगता है ना थोड़ा सा? So that's what I told them also. And that's why, Nana, but you come if you like to, Asa. So, very glad, Tali, happy that you also got mercy. All three of you, Nana. Yes? Yeah. Madhvi Sundar Mataji. Thank you, Mataji. I think I said it all. Yeah. Thank you, Mataji. Please, Madhvi Sundar Mataji. Her Grace Ujjwala Rasagna Mataji ki jai. Mataji, I'll just read out a little bit what I shared in the book which we have given as an offering. Please accept my humble obeisances, Mataji. Thank you for being such an exemplary devotee, teaching us through your achar what is Guru Nishtha, Nam Ruchi and Nam Ashray. You have accepted the instruction of your Gurujanas as your very life and soul. My heartfelt gratitude to you for your sankalpa of Gaur Prem Nam Sankirtan, taking Lord Gauranga's Prem Nam to each and every county of NC. Before the Sankirtan journey began, I remember you sending a message to the WhatsApp group. I responded by saying that I was completely unqualified, yet I desired to be a part of this Sankirtan Yatra. Now, as we approach the final phase of the county Sankirtan Yatra, all that I want to say is, yes, I'm unqualified, but I'm under the shelter of loving causeless mercy of Guru and Gauranga, which will never leave me. My disqualifications are like a mustard seed in front of their loving causeless mercy. The Sankirtan Yatra is definitely a testimony of loving causeless mercy, because of which even a rusted piece of iron like me could begin to understand the meaning of loving causeless mercy. Had it not been for that causeless mercy, how else could Guru and Gauranga have so beautifully arranged for us to come under your loving shelter and affection? I remain forever grateful and indebted for the invaluable Sangha and this wonderful arrangement of Guru and Gauranga. During these memorable yatras across different counties, we have been blessed to collect countless nectar-like pearls from your Vani. I would like to humbly share just a few of them. The first mercy which came my way was your Vani, when you mentioned that disciple means dependence on Guru and Krishna. I really learned the true meaning of who a disciple should be. Taking shelter of Guru structurally, existentially and experientially. Honor, relish and cherish the causeless mercy. Loving causeless mercy is here to stay and is holding you no matter what. This is it. Bhakti is happening now. Let it be Nitya Vartaman. Pangum Langayate Girim. Nitya Vartaman Prem Naam Sankirtan. Ohe Vaishnava Thakur, Ami Tomara Kukur. Naam Sankirtana Yasya Sarva Anartha Nasha. Ki Shayane, Ki Bhojane, Ki Bhojagarane. Gramya Katha na Shunibe, Gramya Varta na Karibe. To control the
mind. Gurudev Kripa Bindu Diya, Jai Jai Harinam, Nitai Pada Kamala, and finally Mahat Pad Rajo Abhishekam Ki Jai. And from this Sankirtan Yatra Mataji, as I mentioned earlier, like each Yatra we have been learning a new fact about causeless mercy. Initially it was loving causeless mercy, honor causeless mercy, celebrate causeless mercy. From this Yatra I am taking into my heart, worship that causeless mercy. So thank you so much Mataji for including me in this seva. I am forever indebted to you Mataji. Thank you so much, and I am blessed to be in association of this valuable Sangha here. Thank you each and every one of the devotees here. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Has your
Mike Mataji.
Are you speaking in the big mic, Mataji?
Yeah, I think so. I think it must be the big one.
Thank you, Mataji. You know, when we are doing the offerings, in the offerings, Madhvi Sundari Mataji, ये सब आचार्यवाणी है. आप बोले ना, every bit of it. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Acharyavani. This is wonderful. So, what we are honoring is, so when we are hearing it, each time you say, oh, this is Acharyavani, this is Acharyavani. We can hear that so many times. So, that is all Acharyavani. But आप लोग है ना, your eagerness है ना. I think Vrindavan Mataji said once, Prithu Maharaj milking the cows aisa. Jewels are there, but Prithu Maharaj has to come and milk the cow like that. Acharyavani hai, it's all there. But your eagerness, all of you, when you are eager to hear, whatever is there in the subconscious mind also it comes out, Mataji. So all the credit goes to you, the seekers, the eagerness. So when you make me speak, I hear. So I get benefited. इसीलिए माताजी आप सब लोग इतना sincere है और eager है. So whatever you have heard is result of your eagerness and your sincerity, and I happen to benefit hearing. Yes, Mataji. Thank you. That I wanted to mention. Yes, thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Madhvi Sundari Mataji, for sharing. And like we said, Mataji was saying, yes, you know, Acharyavani, and for all of us, for some of you that are coming, you know, for the first time, or this is one of the, I think some of the things that we heard, although Madhvi Sundari Mataji was not speaking it in full sentences, but because we were hearing it all, you know, they're the nuggets, they are the chintavanis that we collected. And some of them, you know, if you go back, and that's what I told my daughter one day, I said, you know what, I know right now, because I was asking her to come for Sankirtan, and she was like, not in our neighborhood, Mom. You know, I said, okay. I mean, she couldn't come for all these Sankirtans because of her schedule. I said, well, I'm doing one every day, you know, in Purushottam. And she's like, Mom, I can't do it in our neighborhood. It's just... And I could understand with what she was saying, because I was just like where she is right now. I was not, it's not like, you know, just a few months before Ujjwala Mataji asked me for it, I wasn't sure. I was going back to my text this morning as I was sitting in front of Panchatattva and the Gurujanas, and I was saying, how did this start? And I wanted to go back to the texts and see how it started. And I still, you know, and it's interesting, somewhere mid-November, Ujjwala Mataji, you're texting me, and you've just posted, you know, the Gaura Prema Nama Sankirtan in the group. You've posted this. And then you text me, because you knew at that time I'm not one of these persons that comes out socially like that. I don't come out for programs and things like that. So very casually you asked me, would you like to join Mataji maybe once or twice a month? I'm thinking of going. That was the question. And I was like, you know, And I write to you in that text, I say, Mataji, I'm not for this, but you know, somehow your message that I see about Gaura Prema Nama Sankirtan looks like you're going to inundate North Carolina, and I don't know why I am feeling drawn. So, you know, I will come, Mataji. At least once a month I will come. That's what I had said. That's how it all started. So, you know, I mean, I'm not going to share, you know, I'll share some of the other stories, right? Just to keep it, to put context to the whole. So there was a couple of weeks ago, one of my god sisters, my spiritual master had mentioned about this Sankirtan to her. And so she was talking to me and she said, Mataji, I heard you're going to all counties in North Carolina and doing Sankirtan. You must be a very good singer. That was the first thing she said. And I burst out laughing. I said, no, I don't know to sing. And nobody in our Sankirtan knows to sing. I shouldn't say that Jyotsna Mataji is an exception, but you know. There was one Sankirtan I still remember. It was a long one. We had gone towards the beach. And that Sankirtan, it was Harivenu Prabhu, Ujjwala Mataji, of course, Lalita Priya Mataji, Jyotsna Mataji, Madhvi Sundari Mataji, and me. And we were trying to, you know, we don't know to play mridanga. We can't keep a beat. We can't keep a song. And just the previous yatra, Anand Sesh Prabhu and Rama and all had joined us. And these are people that know music and, you know, they know to keep a tune and all that.
Sorry, Prabhu. Prabhu, 102A exit we are taking for the gas. Okay, Prabhu. 102A.
Okay. Yes, Prabhu. Yeah.
Thank you, Prabhu.
So they all come and, you know, and they could see that, you know, I don't know what. They couldn't play the instrument to our singing. Only we can play instruments to our singing. So that day we realized, you know, when it was, I mean, half of us have shoulder ache, knee ache, you know, and somebody's trying to play kartal.
Total body
I
ache.
can't keep a beat.
No, I don't agree with Vrindarani Mataji.
No, she knows, she's
No,
good
no.
at music.
No. The Sankirtan has created so many Mridanga players. Again, she says that, you know, we don't know Mridanga. Not fair.
So we are going, you know, and we are trying. We saw somebody's shoulders hurting. Okay, next person takes. Okay, my shoulder's not that bad, you know. Okay, let me take. It was one of those Pangum. We called it Pangum Langayate Girim Sankirtan. Because that was on Saturday and Sunday that we were doing. So on Sunday, and it was Saturday, we go on this Sankirtan. Your mom posts 3 or 4 counties. And in her heart she knew, no, today we have to cover 6 counties. Or 8. I don't know what we did that day. But we did. We just covered county to county. But you know, the mercy was carrying us. It was not, we're not the strongest of people. We're not the healthiest of people. But somehow, you know, I don't know, nobody felt tired. The mind and the intelligence usually, I don't know, maybe stayed back at Harris Theatre. I have no idea where. We would just leave it there, you know. We don't need it. And yeah, that's how it was, these Sankirtan trips. So yeah, that's me. Anyway, so back to the Nitai van now. Pran Pavitra Prabhu, would you like to share? Would you like to share? You also.
Mataji, we are at the gas station.
Oh, okay.
We got down also. So
Okay, Prabhu. Then, yeah. When we get back to the car.
We are at Shell. Okay, Prabhu. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sure. I don't know how far are we, Prabhu. Should we like just? Pause?
You know, Mataji, that is Jagannath Sankirtan Yatra.
Yes,
That has a very special place in my journal. That was the day. You know, that's the realization of that yatra is Saturday Sankirtan Bhavana, and I knew the next day is, as you said, not 3 but 6 counties. मैं आपको बोल नहीं, I can't even say that to you. ना, all 6 ना, 6 core team है ना, 6 of, I can't even, क्योंकि every cell of my body was hurting. Forget about sitting or getting up. The hand and foot, nothing was moving. I had to gather. That was Sunday morning when I had to get up. I was thinking, if this is my situation here, मैं कैसे बोलूँ आपको? Then that was, I remember that moment. My mind, oh, it was, until then, you know, it was okay. But for that Sankirtan, it was starting to scream. And you know, the intelligence, a wicked laugh from that intelligence. See, you know, was coming. I saw myself too. I didn't have the strength to handle both that mind and intelligence at that time. And on top of that, it's not just me. If it is just me, I can say something to mind and intelligence and I can hush. But other devotees are there too. And I know how other devotees are feeling exactly the way I'm feeling. मैं क्या बोलूँ other devotees को? क्या motivation बोलूँ? Motivation है, कुछ word भी नहीं बोल सकती मैं. I cannot say anything. No motivation, no encouragement, कुछ भी नहीं. I was just offering prayers. मैंने एक काम, the most valuable realization actually came on at that moment. When it becomes really testing, and then when I pray to see that as mercy, whoa, that's a huge mercy. That day, I'm sure you must be remembering this.
Yes.
I said, when the mercy is not honored, it may recede.
Yes.
I remember saying this.
Yes.
And I think Madhvi Sundari Mataji said, Mataji, I needed to hear that. Hai na Mataji? Yes. And I saw all of you very much agreeing with that. That was the halat. But that was the realization. But that was the only thing that propelled me further on that day. If I don't honor this mercy, it will recede. I can't even think of this mercy receding me. So then, whatever I was feeling, mind hush, intelligent hush, everything hush. And the strength, just a while ago cannot move this, that, nahin. I got up and then morning prayers and Telugu Bhagavata Pravam and then this and everything. It was just, if you know, we hear so much about Sandhini Shakti. That was really the moment of Sandhini Shakti. Nothing else came to my rescue. It was just that. And आने के बाद मैंने कुछ नहीं बोले, but that's the only thing I said on that day. Mercy, if we don't honor, we recede. बस वही, और कुछ बोलने के नहीं. And this is on top of me knowing that not 3 but 6 hai on that day. I was praying, and I was praying for you all actually. I was thinking, you are giving such mercy. You please bestow more on them. You see, ऐसा, क्योंकि आपको देखते हुए, what else can I do? I can only pray. That's all I could do. कुछ बोलने के नहीं है. वो motivation, encouragement, that's beyond that. वो बात हो गया. No motivation, no encouragement तब. कोई words भी नहीं है. So I was just praying for the whole county, and that is the Pangum Langai Tegiri. Yeah. And when the 6 counties were covered, I still remember, आप लोग, you were amazing. I have to say this. Each one of you were amazing. When I said, when you came to know that it was not 3, but 4, but 5, but 6, each one of you, whoa, you were like saints. I don't know if you remember or not, each one of you. I thought, whoa, I am very fortunate to be in the midst of these devotees. I say, that's Jagannath
Yeah,
Sankirtan trip.
That and the mercy that was coming that day in
Oh.
terms of Vani also was so
That was amazing.
That
I felt like I was sitting with the saints.
yeah, and I don't know about that, but
Yeah.
we got a lot of mercy.
I think it was a special mercy.
Yes.
Jagannath mercy was special mercy. Immediately was Gambhira mercy, both of them. But that was, ooh, yeah. Yes, this is called restroom, dear devotees. This is called gas station. And if anybody has to use the restroom, generally, yeah, this is time to go.
In material world,
I
people
material
use it.
body.
Thank you, Amma. Thank you, Amma, for having the inspiration to do this, and thank you to all the devotees who facilitated this initiative. It's actually quite amazing, and I don't have much to say because I am so shocked on how everything just gets done without, everyone is so, the teamwork is so good, and it takes a lot of helpful Vaishnavas to just get it every weekend to go. And I think I get to see the aftermath of you coming home very blissfully, so I can see that it's very much changed you. And though, unfortunately, I am not able to, I'm not chanting the same mantra as you clearly. I'm not looking the same way. I hopefully, with the association of all these devotees, I will be able to taste something what you're tasting. But thank you for Sankirtan. Is actually you actually did kind of change my outlook on Sankirtan. I think I see what you're talking about. The more I understand what you mean sometimes now, because I know a lot of what you say is abstract more because I'm not at the level, but slowly but surely, I guess when I'm around you more, I see what you mean through your actions. There's something else out there. I forgot. Yeah, but that's all I have for now. I'm proud of you, Amma. I love you, Amma. I'm proud of you.
Suvarna Radhika, I can pick on you. Somehow I don't know why I feel that I have that relationship with you where I can pick on you. So I want to ask you, and then I'll ask your two sisters over here. When you heard your Amma say for the first time that there is something like this that I'm planning, no, she was not planning, but when she told about this, going across all the counties and doing Sankirtan in North Carolina, how did it come about? How did you hear it? How did you all receive it? And what was the reaction at home? At Gambhira Bindu, what was happening?
Honestly, it's not shocking because Amma's on a different platform. She can do anything. We just stay quiet and try to help where we can. Cause, if anyone's taking us back to Golaka, it's Amma, so we just gotta help her. She finds space and look. She finds space in the yeah. So it's when you're doing art and you touch someone's elbow, that's whatever. We're just touching her elbow. She's gonna do
like this. Okay, just like that.
So not shocking, Mataji. This is Amma's nature. I'm just happy that now that we're out of the house, she can do whatever she wants, living her dreams.
That's wonderful. Thank you for sharing. And it's not just you who feels that Amma can take you to Golokam. We also are all feeling the same way. All of us here are doing the same thing, holding her hand when she's doing Aarti. That's all.
We all are the
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you